Are you planning to build a PC with the Intel Core i7-9700 in 2026? Should you use the integrated graphics first or buy a dedicated GPU right away? Which components will give you the best value for the money? And most importantly, how much performance and actually expected from this CPU. In this video, we will cover 9 important topics, including the best budget PC builders, performance, upgrade options, recommended GPU, current price, and much more. So let's get started. Number 1. Very low budget build. If your budget is very limited, this build is great for starting point. Components: CPU, Intel Core i7-9700, Motherboard, Gigabyte H310M S2H V2 or Asus Prime H310ME R2.0, RAM 16GB, 2x8GB DDR4. Recommended brands: Corsair Vengeance LPX, Crucial Kingston Fury Beast. Storage: 500GB NVMe SSD, Crucial P3 Plus WD Blue SN580, Kingston NV3. Power supply: 450 watt 80 plus bronze SMPS. Recommended Cooler Master MWD 450 bronze V2, Deep Cool PK 450D, Corsair CV 450. Cabinet Anti-Sports Elite series or Deep Cool or any normal cabinets. This build is perfect for users who want to start with the iGPU and upgrade later. Number 2. Mid-budget build. If you want a smoother experience and better future upgrades, this is the sweet spot. Components: CPU Intel Core i7-9700, Motherboard MSI B365M Pro VDH or Gigabyte B365M DS3H, RAM 32GB 2x16GB DDR4. Recommended Corsair Vengeance LPX, Kingston Fury Beast, Crucial Pro. Storage: 1TB NVMe SSD. Recommended WD Blue SN580, Crucial P3 Plus, Samsung 990 EVO. Power supply: 550 watt 80 plus bronze SMPS. Recommended Cooler Master MWE 550 bronze V3, Deep Cool PK 550D, Corsair CX 550. Cabinet: Deep Cool CC 560 or Montec Air 100 Elite. This build gives you a much better multitasking experience and is ready for a future graphics card upgrade. Number 3. High budget build. If you want to maximize the platform before adding a dedicated GPU, this build is the best option. Components: CPU Intel Core i7-9700, Motherboard Gigabyte Z390 Aorus Elite or MSI MPG Z390 Gaming Plus, RAM 32GB or higher. Recommended Corsair Vengeance LPX, Kingston Fury Beast or G-Skill. Storage: primary SSD 1TB Samsung 990 EVO, secondary storage 2TB WD Blue hard disk. Power supply: 65 watts 80 plus gold SMPS. Recommended Corsair RM 650E, Deep Cool PN 650M, Cooler Master MWE Gold 650 V2. Cabinet: Deep Cool CH 360 or Montec Air 903 Max. This build designed for users who planning to install a powerful graphics card later without replacing other components. Performance expectation. Now let's talk about real world performance. Very low budget build. Basic work: excellent performance for office work, web browsing, online classes, programming, watching videos, and Photoshop. Video editing: 1080p editing is smooth. 2K editing: basic editing with light effects. 4K editing: possible only with proxies and simple projects. Gaming: without a dedicated GPU, the Intel UHD graphics 630 can only handle lightweight games. 720p playable in esports title with low settings. 1080p is very limited. 2K and 4K not recommended. Mid-budget build. Basic work become even smoother because of the larger RAM and faster SSD. Video editing is much better for 1080p projects and light 1440p editing. Gaming performance is still limited by the integrated graphics. High budget build. The CPU has everything it needs except a dedicated graphics card. Professional multitasking becomes smoother. 4K editing is still limited because of the iGPU is the bottleneck. Gaming performance remains similar to the other two builds until a dedicated graphics card is installed. Number 5. Best GPU pairing and recommended power supply. Here are some excellent GPU options for the Intel Core i7-9700. RTX 3050 6GB. Power supply 550 watt. Recommended Cooler Master MWE 550 Bronze V3. Corsair CX 550. Minimum rating 80 plus Bronze SMPS. RTX 3060 12GB. Power supply 650 watt. Recommended Deepcool PN 650M. Corsair RM 650E. Cooler Master MWE Gold 650. Minimum rating 80 plus Gold. RTX 4060. Power supply 650 watt. Recommended Corsair RM 650E. Deepcool PN 650M. Minimum rating 80 plus Gold. RX 6600. Power supply 550 watt. Recommended Cooler Master MWE 550 Bronze V3. Deepcool PK 550D. Minimum rating 80 plus Bronze. RX 7600. Power supply 650 watt. Recommended Corsair RM 650E. Deepcool PN 650M. Minimum rating 80 plus Gold. Number 6. Maximum upgrade path. The Intel Core i7-9700 uses the LGA 1151 platform. You can upgrade to Intel Core i9-9900 with K and KF version. However, this platform has reached its end of the life, so there are no newer CPU upgrades beyond the 9th generation. If you want to future upgrade flexibility, you will eventually need a newer motherboard and processor platform. Number 7. Current build prices in 2026. Please note that these prices may be vary depending on your location and whether you buy new or used components. Very low budget build. Approximate prices $220 to $320 excluding monitor. Mid budget build $350 to $480 excluding monitor. High budget build $550 to $700 excluding monitor. These estimate assume you already have or can source a used Intel Core i7-9700. Actually, pricing will vary by region and the condition of used parts. Number 8. Which build should you choose? Very low budget build. Best for student, office users, beginners and everyday home users. Choose this if you want a start small and upgrade later. Mid budget build. Best for content creators, beginner video editors, Photoshop users, light multitasking. This offers the best balance between price and performance. High budget build. Best for serious content creators, heavy multitasking, user planning to install a RTX 3060 or 4060 or similar GPU in the futures. If you want to a long-lasting foundation, this is the best option. Number 9. In the next video on TechRoop, we will tell Intel Core i7-9700 with a different graphics card including budget, mid-range and high-end GPUs. We will compare to gaming performance, video editing performance, CPU bottleneck and overall value to help you choose the perfect GPU for this processor. So make sure you are subscribed and stay tuned. That's it for today's video. I hope this complete PC build guide helped you choose the right Intel Core i7-9700 setup for your needs. Thanks for the watching and stay tuned for more awesome tech content. See you in the next video.